Hello and welcome to this Smart IT tutorial. In this tutorial, we will look at how to add new companies or branches and how to edit previous ones. We will also quickly go over the header and footer information that appears on your reports, such as invoices and statements. If you want to add a new branch, you first have to click on Company and then Add or Edit Branches. This Add Branches screen will open up in front of you. Here on the left-hand side, you can select branches that have already been created and edit those over here. Or you can create new ones over here by typing in a registered name for the relevant branch. For our example, I'm going to create a new branch for Smart IT and call it Smart IT Somerset West. After doing this, you can go ahead and fill out all of the branch information for your new branch over here. You can add your branch's trading name, the branch's name, and its address. We have added many of the main cities, but if you cannot find yours, you can simply click on this icon over here. When this new menu appears on the screen, you simply have to scroll all the way down until you see this little star on the left. Select the province of the city and then type the city's name in over here, along with the postal code over here. You can just click Save and close this window. You will also want to add your company's phone and VAT numbers over here, and you can add all of the relevant email addresses over here. All of the information that you've typed in so far will appear on your branch's statements. Click Save and let's go over to an example to see what it looks like. First, you'll have to go to Ledger and then Statements. Go down to Branch and then at the drop-down bar, select the new branch as created. You can then select Income Statement to see what your new statement will look like. Although we have all the information that we want on our statement, it does look pretty plain at the moment. We have another option where you can add a custom header and footer to your statements. To do that, you have to go back to the Add Branches screen. To create or add headers and footers to your normal reports, you'll have to click on Report Header/Footer. If you have existing header and footer images, you can click on Browse and then select the header image you want to use from your computer. You can then do the same thing for the footer. Just make sure that your dimensions are the same as indicated over here and here. Otherwise, your invoices will cut off part of your header and footer or appear blurry. Image file formats like PNG and JPEG are supported. You can't use Word or PDF files. If you don't already have a header and footer, you can click on Design Custom Header or Design Custom Footer, and you can make them from scratch in the Report Designer. If you click over here, you see there is a special section for headers for use on small or narrow slip printers. Let's save our changes and go back to the financial statements to see what the statement looks like now. It's as simple as that to add new branches and customize your reports to fit your company and brand. In an upcoming tutorial, we will show you how to customize your reports even further by using custom report layouts. Don't hesitate to contact us if you need any further assistance. Our friendly staff is always available to help.